Hey there, from Blades and More, and this is a review of a Kershaw Fatback assisted opening folding pocket knife. This is a really cool knife, this Fatback from Kershaw, in that I just love the design, and I would give it very high ratings. It is not only very nice design, functionality is just great too, in my estimate. It's a budget knife in that it's currently selling for around the $28 price point. It has this kind of a tactical spear point self-defense type design with a glass-filled nylon handle that is a 0.6 inch width on it, that hence gives it the Fatback name. The handle material is a glass-filled nylon with a medium textured on it that is scalloped along both sides, and there's jimping scalloping on the bottom of the handle and also on the thinner liner that has not been lightened. It has a liner lock and assisted flipper opening that opens as smooth as butter. Boy, it opens really nice. Closes nice. It is a tip up, tip down carrying design. That right or left hand clip, it can be put on any of the 4 positions. It's a longer, kind of a black anodized carrying clip that says Kershaw on it, stainless steel. It's an open back handle design for easy cleaning. The blade is a drop point, kind of a spear point type blade design. That has a long backbone type swedge on it. It is hollow grind with kind of a high grinding point and plain edge with a black anodized blade for low reflectivity. Has a small sharpening choil on the back of the blade by the Riscato. It has brass bushings on the pivot. It opens just as smooth as butter. Has kind of a tapered design on the handle. Feels really nice in my large to extra large hand. The blade material is a 8CR13 MOV. The knife has an overall length of 7.75 inches with a longer blade for that size of a knife at 3.5 inches. And the handle length is 4.25 inches. The weight is only 3.6 ounces, so it's light. The number of the knife is 1935. Kershaw is an American company, and this knife is made in China for them. Just has a great design and a great feel. I love this knife. For the price point, it'd be hard to beat. Very high quality. So there we go, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you hit the liked button, and I also would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel by hitting this little round circle here. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again. All right, bye now.